Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Linear to Figma for streamlined branding iterations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Linear app. Log into your Linear account if you are not already logged in. Next, open your Figma application. Ensure you have a project ready for integration. In Linear, navigate to the project dashboard you wish to connect. Look for the integration settings within your project. Click on the Figma integration option to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to authorize Linear to access your Figma account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to your Figma application. Open the file you want to integrate with Linear. Locate the Linear plugin in Figma by going to the Plugins menu. Select the Linear plugin to launch it within your Figma workspace. In the Linear plugin, you will see an option to link your project. Choose the Linear project you want to connect to your Figma file. Confirm the connection by clicking on the link button. Now, you can seamlessly iterate on designs directly from Figma. Make changes and adjustments in Figma as needed. Any updates will reflect in your Linear project automatically. This integration allows for real-time collaboration and feedback. You're now set up for streamlined branding iterations using Linear in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.